Right, in this video, we're going to start giving our games a way to make decisions. So using variables. So one of the really important variables in games are Boolean variables. So if we remember, a Boolean was made like this, and we give them a name that says something like is healthy. How about that? And then forgot the L. That's it. Hopefully. All right. And well, how do we know if something's healthy? Well, let's also give it a variable for health. So int health, and I'm going to start it equal to 100. All right. So let's say is healthy is equal to when health is, I don't know, greater than 80. You're still healthy if you're greater than 80. All right. So we got our variable health. It starts at 100. It holds integers. Then we've got this Boolean is healthy. So it's telling us if we're healthy or not. And we'll show you more about how these are used. But they take a little bit to wrap your mind around. But they're very useful in games and coding in general. So debug, log is going to say what the is healthy variables and is healthy. All right. So let's see what it prints out. Let's first, I like to build because it tells me if there's errors. Otherwise, when you get to Unity, it tells you the errors down here, but I like to have them before we get here. All right, and let's run it. Is healthy is true, right? Because 100 is greater than 80. All right, so in here, we use what we call, this is the assignment, the equals. This is what we call a comparison operator. Right? So this is greater than. There are 6 comparison operators. We can also put equals. Now, how is this equals different than this? So equals is a comparison operator that finds out if it's equal. This is an assignment operator that tells us it. So what's it going to print out now? Let's first build it, make sure it's happy. All right, and we'll run it. All right, so it's false because 100 doesn't equal a. You're going to look up the other comparison operators. Now, but in our games, we often want to have 2 things that we're comparing. So int, I'm going to add a score, and I'm going to start it at 500. All right. Now I want to compare not only the health, but also the score. So I want to know if it's healthy, or how about we'll say, so if it's healthy, and so logical operators. So this is a comparison operator. This is now a logical operator. It allows me to do 2 or more different things. So and score is greater than 400. Okay, so now we're only going to be healthy if our health is over 80 and our score is over 400. If both of these are true. Is that true in this case? Yeah, they're both. So let's see. Let's build. And then run. And it's true. There are other comparison operators like OR. The OR is 2 lines which are above the enter key. You have to hold shift. That's OR. Now, this one means only one has to be true. So let me change this to greater than 1,000. So are we still going to be healthy? Only one has to be true. Is one of these true? Yes. So then we should still be healthy. This one's not true, but only one has to be true if you use OR. And yep, it's true. Let's make them both not true. and now it's false. Because both, one of them has to be true for an or. There are other logical operators, and we'll have you look those up and play with those as well.